Everything is wrong with this cartoon, and it's the old school way of cleaning. You can easily pick out a bunch of no-nos. Built before 1978, you may have invisible lead dust. The modern way of cleaning lead safe is to wear disposable gloves and to use disposable wet supplies. If you're living in a home or a property built before 1978, 1978 being the year lead paint was banned for use in homes and residential daycares, updating to lead safe cleaning methods and techniques will help minimize your exposure to invisible lead dust and help prevent lead poisoning. These days, the old lead paint is deteriorating, and over time, the lead paint dries out and chalks. The lead dust falls down onto horizontal surfaces due to gravity, leaving behind invisible lead dust. Lead dust is still being created by friction areas like windows moving up and down, leaving behind lead dust on window sills and then spreading onto the floors. Just 1 gram of lead dust, which is just this restaurant sugar packet, can contaminate not only a whole home, but up to 25,000 square feet. That is 6 basketball courts or 40 to 50 average size homes. This is serious. Lead is a neurotoxin, and lead dust is invisible. You're not playing with lead dust, you're cleaning it up. Wear gloves. I've seen the industrial bucket, 1 bucket method to try and clean lead safe. However, we have found with lab tests that this method simply doesn't clean lead safe and will not pass a lead dust test. Now, these are two popular systems of a wringer and a 1 bucket method with reusable supplies. I'll tell you what, whether it's a client, a tenant, or anybody else I've talked to, people love these things because they're great at cleaning up big messes. However, they are reusable and they are not disposable, so these do not clean lead safe properly. Now, there's no reason to experiment with real lead dust. That would be silly and dangerous. Instead, I'm going to be using red food coloring on the floor, and we're going to try to clean it up lead safe using a reusable system. But there's no doubt that 1 gram of food coloring does not equal how much 1 gram of lead dust contaminates. It is not the same. This is simply for a demonstration, so we'll be using a lot of food coloring, powder style, just to show in this demonstration how a 1 bucket method, 2 bucket method does not clean lead safe. First things first, when you're messing with lead, it's not a game. This is a neurotoxin. You could do brain damage. Get your gloves on. So the first thing we're going to do is get our lead dust, red powder food coloring, spread it on the linoleum floor. Holy moly. Come on, buddy. Now that I spread the food coloring, I'm going to try to clean it up with the 2 bucket method. Okay, this gets ridiculous very quickly. Who does this anymore? Nobody. Nobody. All right, so it's kind of wrung out. Let's clean this stuff up. As you can see, we're doing a great job of spreading some lead dust around to begin with. Let's go to the rinse bucket. Is that the rinse bucket? Oh, I did it in the clean water, so we're just going to move it around. Even I make the mistake. Oh, this is bad. Oh, now I'm going to wring this out again? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to bring a wringer in on this one. So now we're bringing in the reusable mop bucket with the spinner. We're going to try it again. This isn't even wet enough yet. Okay. Spin away. That's fantastic. Anywho, so You see how this is lead dust. You see how no matter how much, okay, I got a clean water bucket I haven't used yet. Why not? That lead dust isn't coming off at all. Oh, now I got to transfer over here. Oh, spinner. Wow. So you can see how this is not working at all. It's not cleaning up the red dye. This is a reusable system. What you need to do is use disposable supplies like Swiffers and any kind of generic. That's going to be what's going to help you get the lead dust up. Yes, these things are great for big messes, but for cleaning lead safe, a reusable mop system just simply doesn't work. So to clean up lead dust, use disposable supplies, whether it's Swiffers or dollar store wet mop heads. This is what helps you get it cleaned up. Now this is food coloring, so I don't know how well this is going to be coming up anytime soon. This is not lead dust, but these do a great job of cleaning up the lead dust, throwing it away when you're done. It's disposable, and that's the point. The key thing to remember, if your home or property was built before 1978, there may be lead paint and invisible lead dust present, which is why you choose disposable cleaning products. A reusable mop and the 1, 2, or 3 bucket method of cleaning only works for big messes and does not clean lead safe. Lab tests have proven it. Lead safe clean with disposable gloves on and disposable wet supply. Wet cleaning, wet cleaning, wet cleaning. Remember, you can live lead safe in a home or property built before 1978. Updating your cleaning techniques to lead safe cleaning techniques and methods will protect you, your family, and anyone you invite into your home. Want to know how to lead safe clean a window? Want to know how to lead safe clean a floor? Want to know what products to use? LeadPaintDetectives.com has videos. For more lead safe resources, visit leadpaintdetectives.com or visit our socials.